Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my new Arabic series. Today we are going to learn lesson number 4, part 4. First of all, if you visit first time my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and give thumbs up. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. Are you remember this word? This is za. This is za. Now let's try to translate with vowel words. Za fatha za, za dhamma zu, za kasra zi. Let's try to together. Za, zu, zi. In this exercise we are going to learn the words that start with za. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. The first one, Zahra, flower. Let's repeat. Zahra, flower. Flower. The next one, Zaytoon, olive. Let's repeat. Zaytoon, olive. The next one, Zarafa, giraffe. Let's repeat. Zarafa, giraffe. Now let's have little recap. The first one, Zahra, flower. The next one, Zaytoon, olive. The next one, Zarafa, giraffe. Congratulations, we have completed the lesson number 4, part 4 for level 1. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz, wada'a araka kariban. Goodbye. See you soon. Okay, Allah Hafiz.